Join me as I dive deep into the debate and put the law of assumption to the test against the law of attraction to see which one really holds more power. When it comes to manifesting our desires, two powerful laws come into play: the law of assumption and the law of attraction. Both have been widely discussed and debated, but what's often misunderstood is how they differ and which one truly holds the most power in shaping our reality. Many of us have heard of the law of attraction, and its popularity has led to a widespread misunderstanding of its true nature. We're often led to believe that simply thinking positive thoughts and visualizing our desires is enough to manifest them into reality. But the truth is, most people struggle to see results because they're missing a crucial piece of the puzzle. One of the biggest misconceptions surrounding the law of attraction is that it's solely about thinking positively and attracting what we want. But what about when our thoughts and emotions aren't aligned? What about when we're stuck in a cycle of negativity and self-doubt? The law of attraction alone can't overcome these obstacles, and that's where the law of assumption comes in. In reality, the law of assumption is often overlooked or misunderstood, and it's precisely this lack of understanding that holds people back from manifesting their true desires. By assuming that our desires are already a part of our reality, we begin to embody the energy and mindset required to bring them into being. So, how do these two laws differ in their approach to manifestation? The law of attraction is all about attracting what we want through visualization, affirmations, and positive thinking. It's about sending out a signal to the universe and waiting for it to respond. The law of assumption, on the other hand, is about assuming that our desires are already a part of our reality and taking inspired action to bring them into being. When we assume that our desires are already a part of our reality, we begin to see the world through a different lens. We start to notice opportunities and synchronicities that were previously hidden from us. We begin to feel a sense of confidence and certainty that our desires are on their way, and this energy is what ultimately manifests them into reality. One of the most powerful manifestations I've experienced in my own life was when I assumed that I was already successful and abundant. I remember waking up one morning and simply knowing that I was worthy of abundance and success. I didn't visualize it or try to attract it. I simply assumed it was already mine. Within weeks, opportunities began to flood in, and my life was forever changed. The power of assumption is that it allows us to bypass our limitations and doubts and connect with the deepest, most authentic part of ourselves. When we assume that our desires are already a part of our reality, we tap into the energy of creation itself, and that's when the magic happens. Lastly, the law of assumption is indeed more powerful than the law of attraction in manifesting our desires. By assuming that our desires are already a part of our reality, we embody the energy and mindset required to bring them into being. Remember, it's not about attracting what we want, but about assuming that we already have it. If you've had any experiences with the law of assumption or the law of attraction, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on manifestation techniques and spiritual growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.